Hey guys, how are you doing? Are you all okay? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Peculiar Hair. Feel good, look good, and beautiful. Feel free to share our videos, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Make sure you put your bell notification to all so you not miss out any of our upload. Yes, like, comment if the comment section is open. In today's video, you know what you are watching from the title. So if you like what you are seeing right now and you want to know how I achieved this jumbo twist in an hour, keep watching. I will be using Naomi double color T1 blue, 300 gram, 50-inch long. I will be using one pack even though I got two. Inside there are two bundles. As you can see, is already pre-stretched. Yeah, I bought this hair extension from the local beauty store, not online. As you can see, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I will go ahead and pre-section into 40 pieces or parts. Then I will hold with rubber band. I will still use the same rubber band to hold or secure the hair from the roots before twisting. If you don't know how to grip and twist from the roots, this method is for you. So keep watching. It's very easy and beginner friendly. I'm applying little gel to the part line to make sure it looks nice and clean. So you can apply any gel of your choice or age control, okay? So what I'm trying to do here is just to use rubber band to secure, okay? I'll still remove it when I'm about to put the extension, so I'm still going to remove it. So I'm just trying to use it to hold it so that it will still help me to maintain the part lines, okay? Yeah. While watching, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Make sure you put your notification bell to all so you don't get to miss any of our upload. Thank you. Applying some gel to the part line to make it look nice and clean. So guys, I'm going to continue with the same techniques to pre-section the hair, okay? Yeah, keep watching. There you go, guys. Here I'm done with the pre-section. I have 40 pieces of parts, so I will go ahead with the extension. So what I'm doing here, I put out the rubber band I used in holding the hair earlier. Then I comb, add a little bit of gel. Okay, you can use any gel of your choice or edge control. Then divide the section hair into two. In the middle, place the braiding hair extension and hold or secure as many times as you want, okay? But make sure you don't add tension on it, okay? I mean, avoid tension. Let it be tension free, okay? Then you twist down. So guys, I'm going to repeat the same process. Remove the rubber band, add a little gel or comb or whatever. Then divide the section hair into two. In the middle, place the braiding hair extension and hold or secure as many times as you want, okay? Then tag, like you draw it, you pull it to make sure that it's secure, okay? Just pull it a little bit, like as I'm doing right now, to make sure it's secure. Then you twist down. So I'm going to repeat the same process until I'm done with the twisting. Keep watching. If you are still watching to this point and you haven't liked the video, you haven't commented, please just go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you leave your bell notification to all so you don't get to miss any of our upload. Yes. This method helps protect your hair. No tension from the roots. This technique is very easy and beginner friendly, okay? If you don't know how to grip and twist from the roots, this video is for you. This method is for you. Yeah. So keep watching and learn how you will do your own, okay? Yeah, or your daughter or your friend or your clients, I don't know, whatever. Just keep watching. So guys, at this point I'll just go ahead and dip it inside hot water. I will see you guys when I'm done with the hot water. Okay, at this point we are done with the hot water, so I will go ahead and apply the mousse. Okay, yeah, we are almost done. If you are watching to this point, you are the best. Woo! Thank you so much for all the love. I appreciate you all, guys. If you haven't added your comments yet, just go ahead and add your comments below. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try this out? Let me know. Okay, did I try? Yeah, I want to know if I try. Yes, thank you so much. Make sure you take good care of yourself. Stay out of trouble. Always remember, oh my goodness, be proud of yourself. Remember to feel good, look good, and beautiful. Bye, guys.